Hello, science fans. Today, let's talk about something that is changing our world faster than a rocket launch. Artificial intelligence, or AI. So what is it? Well, imagine you are building with a set of very special blocks. These blocks can learn from what you build, remember your designs, and even suggest new, amazing creations all on their own. That's a bit like AI. It is a type of computer science that allows machines to think, learn from experience, and make decisions, much like a human brain does. It's not about robots taking over the world. It's about creating smart tools to help us solve big problems and make our lives better. Now let's break it down a little more. AI isn't just one single thing. There are different kinds, but a popular one you might have heard about is generative AI. This is a type of AI that can create brand new things. It can write stories, compose music, or even paint a picture in the style of your favorite artist. It works by studying huge amounts of information, like all the books in a library or all the images on the internet. Then, it uses what it has learned to generate something completely original. It's like a student who has read every textbook and can now write a brilliant new essay on any topic. You might be using AI every single day without even realizing it. When your phone suggests the next word to type in a text message, that's AI at work. When a streaming service recommends a movie you might love, that's AI too. It's the smart assistant in your living room that can answer your questions, play a song, or tell you the weather for tomorrow. These systems are designed to recognize patterns, understand your requests, and perform helpful tasks. They are becoming a normal part of our daily routines, working quietly in the background to make things just a little bit easier and more convenient for all of us. The goal of all this amazing technology is not to replace people, but to augment our own intelligence. Think of AI as a super-powered calculator for everything. We can use it to see patterns that are too complex for the human eye to spot, or to process information faster than we ever could on our own. It's a powerful partner in discovery and creativity. By understanding what AI is, a tool for learning and problem solving, we can begin to see all the incredible ways it is already starting to shape our future, one smart decision at a time. It's a fascinating field, and it's only just getting started. Let's look at where AI is making a real difference right now. One of the most important places is in our hospitals and clinics. Doctors are using AI to help them understand complex medical problems much more clearly. For instance, some AI programs are now twice as good as human experts at reading scans to find signs of a stroke. They can even spot tiny abnormalities in brain scans for conditions like epilepsy that might have been missed before. This doesn't replace the doctor. It gives them a powerful second opinion, helping them make faster, more accurate diagnoses and ultimately save lives. It's a remarkable collaboration between human expertise and machine precision. Beyond the doctor's office, AI is also transforming how companies do business. Many organizations are using AI to improve their cybersecurity, with smart systems that can watch for and stop digital threats before they cause any harm. It's like having a digital guard dog that never sleeps. Businesses are also using AI to manage their operations, predict what customers will want to buy, and answer customer questions through intelligent chatbots. As of late 2025, many companies are carefully testing these new AI tools, and the ones that are working well are delivering amazing results and a great return on their investment, proving AI is a valuable team member. And of course, AI is right there in our homes and in our pockets. The smart devices we use every day are packed with AI. When you ask your phone for directions, an AI plots the fastest route based on current traffic. The apps that help you learn a new language use AI to adapt the lessons to your personal progress. Even the systems that help keep our online shopping secure are using AI to check for suspicious activity. These technologies are designed to learn our preferences and habits, making our daily tasks smoother and our digital lives safer and more personalized than ever before. Even in unexpected fields, like preserving ancient traditions, AI is playing a role. Researchers are using AI to analyze traditional medicines and discover new treatments from natural plants and compounds. For example, India has created a digital library powered by AI to protect its vast knowledge of traditional remedies. This shows that AI is not just about futuristic technology. It can also be used to honor and understand the wisdom of the past. From helping doctors save lives to helping us rediscover ancient cures, AI is becoming a truly versatile tool for humanity, connecting our past, present, and future in incredible ways. So, what's next for AI? The future looks even more exciting. Scientists are now developing something called agentic AI. Think of it as a personal assistant that can do more than just answer a question. An agentic AI is a system that you can give a complex task to, and it will figure out all the steps needed to complete it on its own. For example, you could ask it to plan a vacation, and it would. Media group, person researching travel destinations on laptop, traveler comparing flight prices online e-stock, distribute equally. Research destinations, compare flight prices, book a hotel, and create an itinerary for you. More than half of business leaders are already interested in this kind of AI, and it promises to automate complex jobs and free us up for more creative work. To power these incredible new AI systems, we need new kinds of computers. Regular computer chips are good, but for the massive calculations AI needs, we are building specialized hardware. Companies are designing custom AI chips and advanced memory, like the new HBM3E memory, that are built specifically for the demands of industrial-scale AI. These are like super brains designed to process information at unbelievable speeds. There is even work being done on quantum computers, which use the mind-bending rules of quantum physics to solve problems that are impossible for even the most powerful supercomputers today. This hardware is the engine that will drive the next generation of AI innovation. The money world has noticed too. Investing in AI has become a huge trend. From 2024 to 2025, we saw enormous growth in the stocks of companies that build AI technology. This includes businesses that Media Group, business people celebrating stock growth, computer engineers working with AI chip manufacturing equipment to stock or distribute equally, make the special chips, develop the software, and provide the massive data storage needed to train AI models. While big, established tech giants are considered safe bets because of their vast resources, smaller, innovative companies are also making huge waves. This financial excitement is fueling even more research and development, creating a cycle of investment and innovation that is pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. All these advancements are leading to a future where AI is not just a tool we use, but a partner we collaborate with. Imagine multi-agent systems where different AIs work together to solve a complex scientific problem, like finding a cure for a disease. Or think of multimodal AI that can understand not just text, but also images, sounds, and videos all at once. We are moving from simply asking AI questions to giving it goals and letting it explore the best ways to achieve them. This shift will unlock new possibilities in science, business, and our everyday lives, making the world a more connected and intelligent place. The potential for AI to do good is immense. We are already seeing how it can help predict diseases like Alzheimer's years before symptoms appear, giving people a chance for early intervention. AI is helping scientists sift through massive data sets to discover new materials or develop more effective medicines. In our work lives, it can take over repetitive and boring tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on creativity, strategy, and collaboration. The promise of AI is a future where human potential is amplified, where we can solve some of our biggest challenges, from climate change to public health, with greater speed and insight than ever before. However, as with any powerful new technology, AI brings challenges we must face together. A major hurdle is trust. Many people are still hesitant to rely on AI, especially for important decisions in areas like healthcare. There are also concerns about AI making mistakes or hallucinating, providing incorrect information. This is why developing clear rules and regulations is so important. Governments and organizations around the world are working to create governance frameworks to ensure AI is developed and used responsibly, transparently, and ethically, so that everyone can feel safe and confident in the technology. Another big conversation is about jobs. As AI becomes more capable of automating tasks, many wonder what this will mean for the workforce of the future. While some jobs may change or become obsolete, many experts believe AI will also create brand new jobs that we can't even imagine yet. The key will be learning new skills. To thrive in an AI-powered world, we will all need to become more familiar with these tools. That's why it is so important for schools and companies to focus on training and upskilling, helping everyone adapt to this exciting new landscape and turn challenges into opportunities. This is why learning about AI is no longer just for scientists and engineers, it's for everyone. Understanding the basics of how AI works, what it can do, and what its limitations are, will be crucial for making informed decisions as citizens, employees, and consumers. It will help us separate the science fiction from the science fact. By staying curious and engaged, we can all participate in the conversation about how we want to shape our future with AI. It's a future filled with incredible possibilities, and by working together, we can ensure it is a future that is smarter, healthier, and better for all of us. Let's get to it.